Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to change the automatic dubbing language. Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to change the automatic dubbing language on YouTube using a Windows computer. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com, then sign into your account. Next, play the video you want and click the settings icon on the player. Then choose audio or subtitles/CC depending on what the video offers. After that, if you see automatic dubbing or auto translate audio available, click it and start and select your preferred language from the list. If automatic dubbing isn't listed, select subtitles/CC or auto translate. Pick your language and YouTube will provide translated captions instead. Finally, refresh the video if needed and resume playback. The dubbing or auto subtitles should now be in your chosen language. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.